Alright, check it out, check it out, check it out, check it out. Well, here's another one. Whoa. Dang, dude. Oh my gosh. It looks like a Dr. King's, but it's like really tall. Dude, there's so much mud on me. Dr. King's new discovery. Coughs and colds. Yo.